Hello guys and welcome to AVKAppReviews. Today I am gonna give you the overview for Resurrection Remix ROM for Nexus 5. Now this ROM is based on Cyanogenmod 12. So let's check it out. Firstly I am gonna show you the Android version provided by this ROM. So let's check it out. So let's go into the about phone setting. Now you will see this ROM provides Android version 5.0.2. I am running the latest build of this ROM, that is 5.3.1, and this build released on date Jan 21, 2015. Now I am running the stock kernel that come along with this ROM. Now let's check out the customization provided by this ROM. And the customization menu can be seen under a tab called personalization. And you will see there is a tab called Resurrection Tools. So it provides all the customization that are included in this ROM. So let's check it out. Now the first option is interface. Here you can customize the status bar. Now, as you can see, there is an option to enable the brightness control over status bar. Means you can enable the brightness control by moving your finger left or right. So you will adjust your brightness through this. Then next is show notification count. You can enable the notification count on status bar. Then next is show weather. You can enable the weather on a status bar. As you can see, I enabled it, so it will show weather in my status bar. Then next is super user indicator, means it will show the hashtag symbol on a status bar whenever you are using super user. Then next is enable carrier label. As you can see on left status bar there is a carrier label. You can change the carrier label color also. Then next is quick pull down. You can enable the quick pull down of quick toggles to right hand side or left hand side of status bar. You have to choose the option from this. Then next is clock ended, means you can customize the clock ended. That is, you can change the color of the clock, you can change the font of the clock, you can change the alignment of the clock, it is center or right. You can enable the AM or PM if you want. You can enable the date also, and you can also choose the date format from this option. Then next is battery status style. You can change the battery status style to this icons, that is icon portrait, icon landscape, circle, text or hidden. You can also change the battery percentage to next to icon or inside to icon, or keep it hidden also. Then next is battery bar. You can enable the battery bar over the status bar or over the custom navigation bar or below bottom of the navigation bar. Then you can enable the charging animation on battery bar. You can also change the battery bar color. Then next is network traffic monitor. You can enable the network traffic monitor. It will show the up and down speed of your network on status bar. The next option in the customer menu is the navigation bar options. You can enable the navigation bar or disable it. As you can see, currently enable. You can disable it, so it is gone now. The next option is navigation bar dimension. You can change the height and width of the navigation bar. I have kept it default, but you can change if you want. You can make it smaller or larger. The next customization is miscellaneous. You can change the toast animation of the system. Then you can change the list view animation of the system. There are lots of animation included in this ROM. Then next is you can change all system animation, that is task opening, task closing, activity opening, activity closing, and all of the system animation can be customized. And you can also change the animation duration of this system animations. So it's a good option to have. Then next is gesture anywhere. By enabling this, you will see there is a bar on right hand side. So you have to open it and you have to draw a specific gesture. You can assign a specific gesture for opening and closing of any app. You can change the bar width, height and its position, and you can also locate the bar to left edge or right edge if you want. Then next is app circle bar. By enabling this, you will see there is a bar on right hand side, so it will show the app in a scrolling manner. You can change the app inside this scrolling bar. You can also vary its width, height and position of this bar. Then next is clear all button, means you can enable or disable the clear all button in your recents menu. Then you can use this clear all button as a clear all task button also. Then next is you can change the position of the clear all button through this option. I have kept it on bottom center, so you will see my clear all button is on bottom center. The next option is the lock screen. Now you can enable the shortcuts on lock screen. You can keep all the apps you have installed on in your phone to lock screen. You will just add any app you want and it will appear on the lock screen. Then next is clock widget. You can customize the clock widget that is available on lock screen. You can customize the weather panel and clock and alarm panel also. Then next is notification driver. Inside that you can change the order of tiles of notification driver. As you can see, currently my Wi-Fi is in bottom layer. You can change it to the first layer. As you can see, just hold it and drag it to the position you want. So now you will see the Wi-Fi is on top. Then next is you can enlarge or discharge the first row. Then next is you can enable the advanced location setting. That is, whenever you click on location on quick toggles, you will see the advanced option available. Then next is you can enable or disable the brightness slider. Now currently it is on, so you will see the brightness slider is there. You can make it off also, so it's gone now. The next customization is buttons. You can enable the left-handed mode. That is, whenever you turn your phone into landscape mode, the navigation bar will shift to left hand, so it's a good option for left-handers. Then next is you can customize the power menu. You can choose all these options. You can enable, disable if you want. Then next is you can enable the power button as a end call button also. Means it will end your call whenever you press power button. Now another main option available in this ROM is theme chooser. You can choose different themes through this theme chooser. Then next is performance. You can choose different profile for performance. As you can see, I have set a balanced profile, but you can see your power chooser or you can choose performance. If you want to play hardcore games, then go for performance, and if you want to save your battery, then go for power save. The next option can be seen in display, where you can enable or disable the search bar in the Sense menu. Then you can change the LCD density of the screen. Defaultly it is on 430, but you can change it to 473, or you can make it minimum also. Then you can enable the double tap to sleep feature on status bar. Means whenever you double tap on status bar, the device will go to sleep. Then you can also enable the wake up on charge feature, and you can also calibrate the color of the screen. The next feature provided by this ROM is system profiles. You can choose different system profiles from this option, and you can create a system profile also. The next option is privacy. Through this, in the privacy guard, you can block any app you want to be blocked to use data and connection. Then in blacklist, you can block the unwanted call and SMS. Now talking about battery life of this ROM. This ROM provides pretty good battery life. The battery lasts for a day, and average screen on time is about 3.5 hours to 4 hours. So I will recommend to try out this ROM. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Google+, Facebook and blog. Thank you.